Hey everybody, thank you for joining me tonight. In honor of the biggest football game of the year, let's prepare my favorite guacamole recipe. That's right, we're going to focus on some ripe, delicious, creamy guacamole. My favorite, well, one of my favorite dips for sure, especially during the big game. So, thank you for joining me on this quick video, and let's get started. Here's our ingredients for our super guacamole. I have 5 medium-sized Hass avocados that I have cleaned and pitted. And I'm going to show you one that's underripened. There's many different types of avocados, but the Hass, to me, is one of my favorites. It has a thick skin, a medium-sized pit, and they're really rich and creamy. They make for excellent guacamole. I have a medium brown onion that I small diced, chopped cilantro, minced or small diced that I seeded Cerrano Chilis. You could keep the seeds and the veins, and it'll be even spicier. But I love the flavor from the serranos. You could also use jalapenos. Lime, fresh lime juice, salt, and pepper. And that's all we need. So, the first thing I'm going to do is take a potato masher and mash our avocado. Oh, it's so creamy. That's about it right there. You know, I probably didn't even need to do that, but avocado is just so ripe and ready to roll right now. So let's start with some lime juice. About right there. Onion. I'm not going to use all this onion, obviously, but right there. The serranos. Again, I'm not going to use it all. And our cilantro. Let's give this a turn. So I'm going to fold the avocado into itself. And really, this recipe is just heightens or focuses, or how would you want to say, it just enhances the flavor of the avo without overpowering it. I know some people love to add tomatoes, corn. Personally, I just don't see the need to add that. It takes away from the flavor of the avocado. You just want to heighten and complement, that's what I'm looking for. Complement the avocado. So all the other flavors are really just secondary, putting the main focus on the avocado, of course. Alright, we're done with the guac. I seasoned her just right. Perfect combination of onions, serranos, cilantro, and lime juice. Beautiful with these crunchy, fresh tortilla chips. Let's give it a taste. Alright, let's give this a taste. Just with some simple tortilla chips. Cheers. Man, that was delicious. The crunchiness of the onion, the cilantro, and the spiciness of the serrano chili. You can use jalapenos, but I love Serrano chili, and it's not jalapeno flavor. It's all its own chili flavor that's very unique to a Serrano. Along with the lime juice, the kosher salt, and the fresh cracked pepper. To me, this is the perfect way to enjoy a ripe avocado. So, thank you for joining me. Give this a try and leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. In the meantime, enjoy the game. I hope your team wins. My Raiders aren't there, but I'll be watching. So, thank you for watching once again, and we'll see you guys here next time on The Guy Show. Goodbye, everybody.